Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Torras Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I decided to pick up the Torras OrigArmor screen protector. It does claim to have 100% anti-reflection on here. We'll see if they actually do it and see how good it is. We'll also try to install this on camera, see how easy it is to install, and then just see the overall, look and feel of the glass. I reviewed some of Torras's cases early on. You can check out those videos also. But let's get into it. I got this from Amazon. The box is larger than my view on here, but let's see. Let's take the unboxing. Someone's trying to call me while I'm doing the video, y'all. But we just not gonna pay attention. Here we go. But what the? This is some kind of contraction here. You have books, a user manual. You have some wipes. And then it looks like you have one screen protector. So it's one and done. Look at, we might have to even pause the video and try and see how we can install this thing here. But that's the screen protector. You only get one screen protector. So first thing you want to do is turn off your phone. That's the first thing we're going to start off with. Then you can put your phone in there. It might be something like, we had another case that did that too. But what you want to do is turn off your phone. We're going to wipe your phone down. You want to get all your crusty fingerprints off of it. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, somewhere where it's not as dusty, that would be better. Clean off your desk. Just remove the dust. Get out. Oh, look. I mean, it's a little. You just want to get all the little dust bunnies off. It does tell you to re-register your fingerprints. Alright, so what we're going to do is you're going to pretty much install this here. It has the left and right. Then you also want to put these little corner pieces in there. Make sure it's on there pretty straight. Alright, it's in there good. It's on the little tabs. And what you can do is put this down here. You want to pull. Right, while you're doing that. Kind of pull. And this out the way. And then what you do is you just slide this over. And it tells you how far to slide it to. So you just slide it there. Come back. And then what you do is take this off slowly. And then you have it on there. Let's turn this bad boy on. And it actually installed pretty good. Wasn't too bad. But let's see how anti-reflectness this really is. And let's see, turn down the brightness is horrible. And actually, this is pretty good. I mean, the judgment is how good I can see my light that I have filming, and it is not that bright on there. So the anti-reflectness on here is really good. Shout out to Dusty May and the Michigan Wolverines, by the way. Now, the one thing is, look how you have a little bit of room around the whole screen protector. So there's a little bit of room there. And let's see. It wasn't really in the right one. So yeah, see, it's having a little bit of trouble. But what you can do is, I mean, I can do it right on camera too. Fingerprints. And you might have to do this with anytime you get a new fingerprint. And I can add a fingerprint, register it, and then what you want to do is just re-register it with the new screen protector. Make sure you have the touch sensitivity turned up. And now, and what you can do too is on number 3, you can say improve accuracy. And then what you do is just press it 10 more times. And you want to move around. And now this should work. It should work a whole lot better. And there you go. So if you have trouble like I just did, re-register your fingerprint. It says it to do it on there anyway. And it works great. So this is that Torras screen protector. If you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.